Good morning everyone. This is the pre-market report video for 7th of January 2025 and we will be discussing on the most important question, that will the market continue to fall or will it recover? Okay. Before we begin, we can just have a look on what all things happened yesterday. How were the Indian markets yesterday? So yesterday there was major panic selling across all the sectors. Nifty 50 fell below its support of 200-day exponential moving average. It fell close to 1.6%. Similarly, Bank Nifty also fell by over 2%, and also Sensex, which there was major selling in Sensex and it closed 1.6% down. Now let us discuss what were the primary reasons, as everyone must be aware and they must be thinking that COVID is again back. There can be a lockdown, and that is the reason why there was major selling, because India reported 3 confirmed cases of HMPV virus. There has been a spike in cases throughout the world like Japan, Malaysia, Hong Kong. FIIs are still continuing to sell in Indian markets. The Q3, some of the brokerages have also reported that Q3 would not be as good because Q1 and Q2 results were also not that great. Now the major question over here is, will these reasons sustain? Will the market crash or will it continue to fall? Basis of my understanding, the answer is no. The market will not crash. These are not major reasons. The only important concern over here looks like the Q3 results that might have an impact, but the market will not crash. The reasons for that we'll discuss in a bit. Looking at what happened in the US markets after there was a correction, what happened in the US markets. So there was not much correction in the US markets. It recovered. In fact, it was even positive. It's flat to positive. Looking at India specific info, we can see that yesterday FIIs, as they have been selling from the past 3 months, they continued to sell in the Indian markets, but DII are still strong. Domestic investors are still strong and they are continuing to buy. GIFT Nifty today indicates a flat to positive opening. It has got a positive points of 38 points. Okay. Now we'll just discuss on why do I feel that the markets will not crash. Let's discuss some positive points that will definitely help India. Now majorly many brokerage houses are positive on HDFC Bank because it has given a very good deposit growth rate and they're expecting a very good Q3 update. Morgan Stanley has given a statement that India will lead emerging markets in 2025 as a top investment destination. Even CLSA has given an outperform call on Reliance and is bullish on Reliance. And the Karnataka Health Ministry says that there is no reason to panic at all about the HMPV virus. So we need not worry that there will be another lockdown, so need not worry about that. Major things to keep in mind today, that there is listing for Indo Farm equipments, and all the best.